The new Q60 Sport trim features a blacked-out exterior with a unique grille and special touches. Facelifted Infiniti QX60 adds a new Sport trim to replace the old sensory grade in the lineup. The Sport is distinguished by a unique mesh grille, a front lip, black accents, and 20-inch wheels. Interior highlights include exclusive black and blue upholstery and black open-pore ash wood trim. Infiniti's best-selling QX60 is back for 2026, and this time it's adding a new Sport trim to the lineup. Far from a simple update to the previous sensory grade, this version brings a fresh, sharper edge to the SUV for anyone who felt the standard QX60 was lacking in character. Speaking at a preview event last month, Infiniti officials told us the crossover builds on their legacy of performance, which includes iconic models such as the G35 and Q60 Red Sport Coupes. Here, it blends a sporty attitude with all the comfort and convenience one would expect from a three-row luxury SUV. Officials added that strong demand for the Black Edition package on the 2025 QX60 helped pave the way for the new Sport trim. Much like that version, the Sport is designed to appeal to customers looking for something more aggressive. That aggressiveness is immediately apparent as the QX60 Sport is distinguished by a unique mesh grille with an illuminated Infiniti logo. They're joined by a sporty front lip, finished in gloss black. The dark theme continues further back as the crossover rides on exclusive 20-inch gloss black wheels, black side moldings, roof rails, and door mirrors. If those telltale signs weren't enough, the model wears S badging on the liftgate. 4 different colors are available, including mineral black, grand blue, graphite shadow, and radiant white. The latter two can also be paired with a contrasting black obsidian roof. The sporty styling continues inside with black open-pore ash wood trim and an exclusive dusk blue interior, which features a mix of black and blue tailor-fit upholstery as well as contrast stitching. Speaking of the seats, there's heating and ventilation up front as well as standard second-row captain's chairs. The latter are heated and separated by a removable console with 2 cup holders. Besides the special touches, drivers will find a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment system with Google built in. They're joined by a black headliner, a wireless smartphone charger, a tri-zone climate control system, and a 16-speaker Klipsch premium audio system. Despite wearing the Sport moniker, the crossover has a familiar 2.0-liter VC turbo 4-cylinder engine that produces 268 horsepower, 200 kilowatts/272 PS, and 286 lb-ft, 387 Nm, of torque. It's connected to a 9-speed automatic transmission and a standard all-wheel drive system. This should enable the model to return 22 miles per gallon city, 27 miles per gallon highway, and 24 miles per gallon combined.